Get ready to be informed and empowered. The Biden administration is taking action to tackle the fentanyl crisis. And guess what? India and the United States in combating the deadly fentanyl challenge. Dr. Rahul Gupta, Director of Office of National Drug Control Policy, known as the Drug Czar, revealed that India has been enthusiastic about collaborating with the United States to combat the dangers of fentanyl. Fentanyl, a highly potent synthetic opioid, has been responsible for a staggering number of drug overdose deaths in the U.S., with over 71,238 deaths in 2021 alone. But the good news is that the Biden administration has launched a massive campaign to educate young people about the risks of fentanyl and the life-saving effects of Naloxone, a medicine that can reverse opioid-related doses. Dr. Gupta highlighted that India is stepping up as a global leader in addressing the threat of synthetic drugs, and there is a robust working relationship between the United States and India in this area. India, often referred to as the pharmacy of the world, has a large pharmaceutical and chemical industry, and the two countries are working together to counteract the drug supply routes and prevent the diversion of these deadly chemicals. But it doesn't stop there. The collaboration between India and the US goes beyond just addressing fentanyl. They are also working together on addiction, treatment expansion, and the intersection between mental health and addiction. Dr. Gupta emphasized that there is a lot of excitement and enthusiasm in strengthening this bilateral relationship, because both countries recognize the crucial role they play as global leaders in combating this pressing issue. As part of the campaign, young people are being empowered with the tools to save lives. Dr. Gupta emphasized the importance of carrying naloxone or narcan, the antidote for opioids like fentanyl, as it could potentially save the lives of not just themselves, but also their friends, neighbors, classmates, or colleagues. The campaign includes social media efforts and digital ads that will be displayed in strategic locations to reach young people where they are, such as subway stations, college campuses, and grocery stores. Dr. Gupta acknowledged that this is a challenge that affects communities, including the Indian American community, and has taken the lives of young children and adults. Therefore, spreading this crucial message about the dangers of fentanyl and the availability of life-saving tools like naloxone is of utmost importance. So, get ready to join the movement. The collaboration between India and the US in addressing the fentanyl challenge is an exciting development, and together, we can make a difference in saving lives and creating a safer future. Stay informed, empowered, and let's work towards a healthier, drug-free world. If you like our efforts or we added 1% value in your life, please consider subscribing this channel and become a part of IQ Fusion Global Community. Thank you.